Welcome and bienvenidos to our new YouTube series, Foodtripping in LOC's Kitchen.
We were thinking about doing this already for a long time because
I like to cook.
and I like to eat.
We will bring you in a trip around the world cooking many different dishes.
Yes, so if you want to learn more recipes in the future, don't forget to click the subscribe button. You might think that we are going a little crazy or that we're stripping because we are giving most of our dishes a little twist.
Yeah, a land of colors or LOC's touch.
Yeah, for example, I think some Japanese people might want to shoot us today because we're preparing our own version of sushi rolls.
Comenzamos! Let's start!
Yes, first important ingredient, sushi rice.
Remember, it's not normal rice.
No, this one is more sticky so that when you roll it, it doesn't fall apart.
Yeah.
But first, you need to rinse it with cold water.
Ta-da! Now, the rice. Almost! And later, we will add the rice to cold water in which we will boil it.
Yeah, remember to start with cold water again because it's very, very important.
250 grams, it's enough for 2 people.
Yeah, but we will use 500 because we still need lunch for tomorrow.
Ya se me antojó.
A mí también.
And remember, always wash your fruit and vegetables. I like it.
While we wait for the rice, we will cut the vegetables. We will use
A carrot,
cucumber.
a little bit of pineapple.
Normally we use mango, but it wasn't in the store.
Why? Corona time!
And of course, the avocado, we forgot to mention it before.
Aguacatiri, siempre presente en los mejores momentos. ¡Tada!
The rice is ready.
Now, the rice is ready. We need around a bowl of rice. We put it in the middle from the alga. And we start to spread like this. Almost. Now, wash your hands.
Very handy, eh? Small kitchen.
Yeah, for some things. Then I dry my hands. And now, I don't know how everyone does it, but I do it like this. Take the Philadelphia and spread it.
Yeah. We're not professional cooks at all. Please remember
No.
that. We just enjoy
Home cooking.
home cooking.
Carrots. Cucumber. Ananas.
If you want to, it's not necessary.
Avocado, but I already finished everything.
Okay.
We take the surimi.
You can also opt for salmon, smoked salmon I prefer, or if you want already cooked shrimp. It isn't.
I suck at this, but I try my best.
And you have a nice, pretty roll.
Ta-da!
And we're almost ready. Woo! Finally, we're very hungry. So the next step is roll it into eggs. We use 3 eggs. Make sure you also have the sides. And then in breadcrumbs. If you want a good crust, do this twice, but of course you first need to let it relax. And that you do with all of them.
And finally, and almost the last step.
Yes, finally!
We put it fried.
How much?
We have a machine for fried things. If you have it like this, 200 degrees, 1 minute, 20 seconds.
Degrees Celsius.
Yeah,
remember.
Celsius. If you don't have a machine like this and you need to fry it in a pan, the same. 1 minute 20 on one side, and after that you turn it, and 1 minute 20 on the other side, and ta-da!
Yeah, just pay attention that it has a beautiful golden brown color, like you see.
And finally, the last product.
Yes, if you want to try the recipe, I will also leave a link below, so you don't need to replay the video over and over again. So you can check out that version there.
And now I'm making a soy sauce like I guess we make it in Mexico, because here it's too strong. We put soy sauce. It's not open, I guess. I thought I opened it. Obviously not.
Until.
No, not yet.
So you take soy sauce.
Ta-da! Not a lot because it's really strong. I guess we put lemon in Mexico, so
Always Mexicans and lemons.
to everything.
It's a love relationship.
And water. But first of all, try to see how it is. Not too strong like the soy sauce, with lemon flavor. That's perfect. And
Of course.
chili.
Of course. Always chili.
In Mexico we put serrano or jalapeno, but I don't have here, so I use habanero. I just put a little bit, so it's not too spicy.
So we will make a recipe from another country every month. So subscribe if you want to keep watching this. What are you putting on top of the sushi?
Samurai.
Samurai.
A really delicious sauce that you can find, I don't know if only in Belgium, but it's the only place I can buy it now.
Yeah, but if you want to recreate it, we recommend you to use mayonnaise and you mix it with a little bit of chipotle.
It will give you a good taste.
Yes. I'm so hungry. So, if you want to watch this, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Adios!